Hello everyone, welcome to session 4 of Software Testing Made Easy course. In this video session, I am going to explain how domain knowledge plays a key role in software testing. As software testers, we need to have good domain knowledge on the application we are going to test. For example, guys, if you have to test this application, this is an example application. So there is tutorials ninja.com/demo. I'll type it if you want. Tutorials ninja.com/demo. If I go to this application, what application do you see, guys? Which domain it is? By looking at this application, can you find out what exactly the domain is? Yes, it's like it's an alternative to Amazon or Flipkart or some other e-commerce, right? Application. So the domain is none other than what's the domain, guys? E-commerce domain. E-commerce domain. Even Amazon.in or .com is also e-commerce domain only. So this application is also e-commerce because you are selling some products online here from this application. You can sell you are selling MacBook, iPhone, Apple, Canon, all those products you are selling from this application. So this is an e-commerce domain. Now, if you have to test this application, you should have some domain knowledge. That is e-commerce domain knowledge you should have. So what actually is the domain knowledge? What exactly is a domain knowledge? Let's say here, let me tell you here. So what do you call this? The search feature, right? It's a search. In every e-commerce application, there will be search functionality. This knowledge you should have, guys. Okay, what is each and everything? Search functionality where you can search for the products, and there is something like product display page. Do you know anything like product display page? In e-commerce domain, you call some page as product display page. If you have the domain knowledge of the e-commerce applications, okay, if you have e-commerce domain knowledge, you'll understand, definitely understand what is product display page. Otherwise, you will not understand. Okay, this is one of the another term. I'll show you what is product display page. I will show you. So go to any page. Let's say I'll go to this iMac page. This page where all the details of the product are getting displayed. Okay, so all the details of this iMac product in this website are displayed, right? This page is known as product display page. This is a product display. You're displaying the product details here. That's why we call that as product display page. The terminology, guys, your search functionality, product display page. Okay, wish list. What is wish list? So have you ever used wish list? Here, let me show you. Here, add to wish list. That means you are interested in this product. You are not purchasing this product right away, but you are interested in this. You want to purchase this at some point of time later because you are interested in purchasing this product. So if I mark this, you see, so this item will be added to the wish list. So again, if you log in, right, when you log in and do the same action like add to wish list, right, in your account, in this wish list section, all the products, okay, you have to log in, otherwise you will not see here. Okay, so when you add this to wish list, you see wish list of one is coming here. That means this product got added to your wish list. So at later point of time, when you have some when you are really want to purchase some items, right, you can go to the interested items from the wish list that you selected. Not only one item, guys, multiple items you can add to the wish list that you are interested in purchasing at later point of time. And when the time comes, you can go to the wish list and select the item and purchase. So like that, guys, this is some knowledge. Whatever I shared with you, whatever I explained about the wish list, okay, wish list is also some knowledge. Like this, lot of functionality will be there in the e-commerce applications. Lot of terminology, lot of knowledge is required for understanding the e-commerce applications. There is some interesting concept in e-commerce, guys. Let me explain this. Wedding registry. So this thing is not there in India, guys. This kind of wedding registry kind of features will not be there in Indian websites, Indian e-commerce websites. But if you go to the US websites, okay, US e-commerce like different websites like Amazon.com or any other things, okay. So you will have something like wedding registry, guys. According to the wedding registry, the functionality is like the bride and groom, okay, the bride and groom who are about to marry will create a wedding registry on this e-commerce application. Okay, on this kind of website, they will create a wedding registry. They can create an account, wedding registry account, and in this wedding registry, this bride and groom will select all the items that they would like to have as gifts. Okay, instead of giving the option to the guests who are going to attend their wedding, this bride and groom together will decide the list of items they would like to have after the wedding. Okay, after the wedding, they have to continue their life, right? So what items they would like to have that as gifts, gifts by their guests. Okay, so let's say they want some dining table. Okay, so some cooker they want, some like a refrigerator. Okay, television. It's not only big items, guys, small items also, like some dining set, dining set. Okay, even spoons also can be there, spoons, cups. Okay, like that, all the items that are there in this e-commerce application, right? They will add whatever the required items for them together. They will together decide, and they want one dining set, like they want 10 sets of spoons. Okay, they want 15 cups. They want two TVs and one refrigerator, one cooker, like one dining table, like this. So who are the guests? They will send the invitation, guys. Okay, from this wedding registry, after creating the wedding registry, they will create a kind of invite. Okay, they'll create an invite which will have a link to all these items, which will have a link so that guests will see the items here that the bride and groom wants as a gift for their marriage, okay, during their wedding. So guests, for example, the guest, one of the guests has purchased this dining set, let's say, this will be striked off. For the remaining guests, this option will not be displayed because already this guest is bringing this dining set. So duplication will not happen. So the next guest may go for this dining table. The next guest will go for the cooker, okay, cup, like that, spoons, and so on. So this is how wedding registry is. So you see, you are getting a lot of knowledge here. Now you got to know what is search functionality, what is a product display page, what is wish list, what is wedding registry. I'm not going to explain a complete e-commerce domain in this session. So the main concept or main thing that I want to explain as part of this session is what exactly is domain knowledge, guys. Okay, how domain knowledge plays a key role in software testing. So without having this domain knowledge, right, you will not be able to test properly. Having this domain knowledge will help you to test this e-commerce application in a better way. If you have good e-commerce knowledge, then it will be very easy for you to test the application. So if you don't know wedding registry and if you have to test the wedding registry, it will be difficult, right? But if you have some knowledge of the wedding registry, then it will be very easy for you to test the e-commerce application, this functionality in the e-commerce application. Okay, so this is what exactly is the domain knowledge, and that's why it plays a very key role in testing the applications. Fine. So is e-commerce only one domain that we have while testing? No, guys, there will be several domains. Okay, apart from this web application here is will fall into the e-commerce domain. Okay, this application will fall into the e-commerce domain, but there are several other domains also. Okay, I'll give examples for each and everyone. I'll start with e-commerce again. So I'll start with e-commerce. Let me take a new one. I'll start with the e-commerce. Example for e-commerce domain is Amazon, Amazon.com. Okay. So general examples I am giving. So if you go to this Amazon.com, see, this is an e-commerce application. Amazon.com is an e-commerce application. You see, you can purchase a lot of products from this website. Lot of products from this website. This is an e-commerce application. E-commerce application looks like this. You can select a product, okay, and you can actually, okay, add to cart, you see, add to cart, purchase, and all those stuff. Proceed to checkout and purchase. This is e-commerce. So next domain. So apart from e-commerce, we also have this banking domain. I'll take one example, okay. So next domain I want to give is banking domain. Example for banking domain is hdfcbank.com. There are several banks, right? So HDFC Bank is one of them. I'll go to the HDFC Bank website. So this is the banking domain, guys. As part of the banking domain, there will be a lot of things, okay? Not just this net banking. So there will be ATM software. There will be okay, internal employees of the HDFC Bank will use their own softwares, right? They will not be sharing their softwares to the real end users. This net banking is an end user software. ATM is also an end user software, but internally HDFC Bank uses a lot of softwares to process the things, okay, to their day-to-day jobs, to check the balance and all those stuff. They have their own software. They can access any account, but here we can access our own account. HDFC Bank, the employees of the HDFC Bank have their own software using which they can access any accounts. Okay, even customer care people can access some of our details. Okay, like that. Okay, everyone has their own software. So every software, whatever you are using, either the customer care people are using, or end users are using, or the bank employees are using, anyone is using, that is related to the bank only, right? That is related, those are banking software. Okay, they belong to the which domain? Banking domain. hdfcbank.com is one of the example, guys. Okay, hdfcbank.com, which will be used by end users. Okay, here you can log in, net banking, login. You can give your credentials, continue to net banking. You can give your credentials here, login, and you have a lot of functionalities, like checking your balance, transferring your transferring amount to other account, right? Adding a new account, paying your credit card bills, viewing the bills of the credit card. Lot of options will be there. Lot of options will be there inside. All these options, if you have to test this application properly, then you should have some banking domain knowledge, right? Based on the banking domain knowledge, you can test them properly. So this is one example. Banking is hdfcbank.com. So next example, I will take insurance domain. Okay, the next domain is insurance domain. So I will take this hdfcergo.com. hdfcergo.com. So hdfcergo.com is an insurance, okay? Is a one-stop shop for all your insurance needs. You see all the type of insurance: car insurance, two-wheeler insurance, health insurance, home insurance, travel insurance, and any other different type of insurances are there. Travel, a lot of insurances are there. So here, this website will provide you a lot of options. Like if you go to the home insurance, uh, home cover. As a home owner, I want to structure and content buy now, so I can purchase the insurance here. Okay, I want to insure my home. I want to insure my home. You see, average, all the details I have to enter. All these functionalities. Okay, all the functionalities that you see here will fall into the insurance domain only, because here, what is property valuation? You have to know that, right? So without having this knowledge, insurance knowledge, you cannot understand what is property valuation, price per square feet, what is square feet, what is price per square, what is construction, all the terminology. Okay, security measures available. A lot of knowledge is required, guys. Okay, reasonable current market. What is a reasonable current market value? What cost of construction of property? All this knowledge you should have. Flat above ground level. All this, if you have a better knowledge of these things, right, then you will be able to test the insurance domain application properly. So this is an end user forms. Whatever you are seeing here are the end user forms, but there will be a lot of software for the insurance, guys, where customer care people of this insurance company may use some software. Okay, or the employees of this insurance company to process your insurance claims and all those stuff have to use a lot of software is required for insurance. Okay, whatever I am showing you is one example only. Okay, it's not the complete insurance thing. Insurance domain is very big. You see, there are a lot of types of insurance. Two-wheeler insurance, this is also knowledge only. Okay, knowing how many type of insurance is also there is also a knowledge. Okay, knowing that car insurance will be there, two-wheeler, health insurance, travel insurance, home insurance, this is also a knowledge. Type of insurance is also a domain knowledge. So whatever, before testing an insurance application, if you have all this knowledge, right, it will be very easy for you to test. So the example is hdfcergo.com, insurance domain. Similarly, we'll go with other things like healthcare domain. Okay, I'll go with the healthcare domain. So here I'll write the next domain after e-commerce, banking, insurance examples. I'm going for healthcare domain. So healthcare is also very good domain. Okay, and in order to test the healthcare applications, we need to have some healthcare knowledge. So let me show you few one example. Okay, so I don't have a proper example, but I collected a YouTube video, guys. Okay, so if you want to learn, have some want to get some knowledge of the healthcare domain, right, just go to this video. I'll browse it here. So I'll maximize it. You see here, guys, hospital management system, which falls into the healthcare domain. So you are asked to log in here. Okay, into the hospital management system, you are logging as admin. Okay, as an admin. So which hospital you can select and log in. And as you can see here, guys, as you can see here, you can take for example, a patient will call you asking for the doctor appointment. You as an admin will book an appointment for the patient. Okay, so you will go to the appointment section and book an appointment like that. Then you see like doctor appointment is there. Yes, you will select the appointment like this. Okay, you'll fill up your patient details. So add patient like that, like a patient registration, you can register the patient, okay, and clinical management, some test reports may be there. Operation theater, if the patient is admitted into the operation theater, is going through some operation, then he'll be enrolled here. Emergency, like all this stuff, guys, okay. So like feedback management, if patient is giving some feedback, you can put that feedback, input the feedback here. Some discharge summary, like all the things of the patient, or sometimes a lot of bills will be there, you can collect the bills and maintain here. Everything, guys, everything about the patient can be collected here. So like this, some healthcare softwares will be there. Okay, some healthcare softwares will be there, using which we can do all the things that are necessary for the patient. You see, the application is very complex, as you can see. So in order to understand this application, you should have a lot of healthcare domain knowledge. Okay, what is outpatient, what is inpatient, okay, like that you should know everything. So what is this loyalty name and all those stuff, okay. So I'll just go simply, just forward. What is HDL, what is LDL, okay, reports, these are the reports, right? These are the reports. We have to have knowledge of each and everything. If you have to understand the healthcare application properly, then you have to have some hospital, okay, healthcare domain knowledge you should have. The patient details, what is ward number, why, what exactly is called as ward number, okay, what is this floor number and all those stuff. A lot of knowledge you'll get. So this is a video, guys. This is a video which is having the, which is actually is an example of the healthcare domain. So it's not the you cannot say only that type of applications are the healthcare domains. There are several type of softwares which fall into the healthcare domain. Whatever I showed you, that is patient management kind of software, right? That is one of the example of the healthcare domain, which is related to the health. Okay, so which will be used in the hospital. This kind of softwares are used in the hospitals for managing the patient's information and all those stuff. Then next one, ERP domain. The next type of domain, I explained the healthcare domain. So for that, I took YouTube video, right? I explained the YouTube video. I showed you one YouTube video. You can take this from notes also. That's fine. Then ERP domain. ERP domain. Let me go through the video once again. I'll see the company behind that. Okay, I have to mute it. And so, what is the company here? E-hospital systems. E-hospital hospital systems. So where is that? E-hospital systems dot com. Okay, let's see. I'll get anything. No, I didn't get anything. So I'll search here. Okay, no. So a lot of websites will be there, guys, but I'm not getting this website, e-hospital website. I'm not getting. So any company has come. Do it pin. Okay, no. Okay, there was some. Okay, here there is something like an admit. Okay. E-hospitalsystems.com. Fine. There is no company. That's fine. So this is a video, guys, which is giving some hospital management system, e-hospital system short overview. That's it. Okay. So any URLs? Yeah. Here, this is the thing. This is the URL of the. So this company, Adroit Infosystems, is providing this product. Is hospital systems. This software can be used by any hospital. Okay. If you like the software developed by this Adroit Infosystems, then that hospital can enroll for this e-hospital system given by this Adroit Infosystems, and then can use it for their patient registration, appointments. A lot of features are there. You see, billing, discharge, radiology, everything is elaboratory management, reports, okay, tablet, finance and accounting, everything is there. You see, email integration, lot of things are there. Package, health packages, lot of things are there. Dietitian tips and all the stuff. Everything is there. So this is e-hospital system software. Okay, this is one example you can say. I'll copy this URL and paste in the here, paste here, so that you can see if you want. The YouTube video has this information done. So now here healthcare system example is this one. I given the example as this one, adroitsystems.com, e-hospital systems. Fine. Coming to ERP, guys. Okay. ERP is another domain. Here, so far, e-commerce is covered, banking domain is covered, insurance domain is covered, healthcare domain is covered. Now, ERP domain. What exactly the ERP domain will look like? So, what exactly is the ERP domain? ERP domain is like we can the full form is like enterprise resource planning, guys. Okay, enterprise resource planning. ERP stands for enterprise resource planning. It can be for any enterprise, guys. For example, you are working for an IT company, and right, HR people will be there. They have to manage the human resources. All the employees they have to manage. So resource planning they have to do. So they have to add the new employees into the company. They have to like decide the pay scale. Okay, they have to put the pay scale. They have to mention their skill set, everything they have to store somewhere. About the information about the employees they have to store in one place. So all the things about that employee, okay, will be stored here in the Orange HRM. Similarly, some other thing we have to, like, there are a lot of things, right? There will be like supply chain management systems also, inventory management, you can say. If you go for an e-commerce application, all the e-commerce application, whatever the products that are getting displayed on the application. So let's say this application is there, tutorialsninja.com/demo. On this application, this MacBook, iPhone, Apple, and all those things are there. So in the back side, the inventory need to be maintained for this MacBook. How many MacBooks should be there in the inventory, right? We have to maintain a shop. From the shop, we'll be displaying the products here. So whenever order comes, we have to take that item from the shop and deliver, right? So here inventory manages supply chain or inventory management is required. So for maintaining that inventories, this e-commerce will not be suitable. Okay, these e-commerce applications are suitable for selling the products online. But coming to the inventory management, supply chain managements, we need some ERP kind of domain. Okay, ERP softwares we need. So where you'll enter the details of each and every product. How many products are still available? Okay, how many got sold? How many? What is the price? All those things will be stored in that ERP domain kind of software, which is created for maintaining the inventory. Okay. So here Orange HRM is for HR people. Okay, HR people in any company can maintain the information about the resources here in the ERP software. So I'll show you how the ERP domain software will look like. I'll take this. This is an example. Orange HRM is an example. I'll go here, orangehrm.com. You see, orangehrm.com looks like this. So this is a company website, guys. But what exactly is the Orange HRM software? Okay. So features. We'll go to the features here. So request desk, graphical reporting, online training. You see, all these features will be part of the software that is provided by the Orange HRM. Personal personal information management, all the details of the employees you can share, you can store in the software. Your employee data ID, this HR, let's say the end user is HR people, guys. They will store all the employee details into the system using this software. Orange, using the software provided by the Orange HRM, you can do that. You see the one of the screens they are showing here. Configure add employee wizard, you can add the employees here. This is a screen of the software. It will look like, once you get the software right, you can get this screen. So reporting, okay, reporting, aggregate, what is enjoy, okay. So you have a trial here, guys. If you want to still try how the Orange HRM will work, you can go with this trial. Or any other things, resources or something, we can get some help. We can see what exactly is this Orange HRM and all. Let me see, there's a blog here. You'll see the blog. And or we can go with the YouTube also. Okay, so let's see what exactly. You see, they have a mobile experience, mobile app also for doing so. Okay, I'll take better. I will go with the YouTube Orange HRM, so that you'll see some video on the Orange HRM here. You see, this is how the Orange HRM will look like. So let me take it like this and see. Let's see what exactly you see. Time management. You can actually like time sheets. You can upload your time sheets. Okay, you can submit your time sheets like. So this is like marketing only. They are not demoing here. I'll see a better thing. Overview is there. Maybe here it will be explained. You see, this is how the software looks like. Orange HRM software. You see, admin has logged in, and here, as you can see, right, employee distribution by submit. So leave taken from January. So if you want to apply leave, you have to go to Orange HRM and apply or something like that. Okay. So any other things are there here? Add employee. If you want to add an employee here, you can add from here. add employee, then employee list, you can get the list of employees. So a lot of features are there. Okay, like recruitment, time sheets, performance, onboarding process. You see, this software is created for this software is created for managing the records of the employees. Okay, so you can create the reports, different type of reports out of this. HR people can access this thing, guys. Okay, yeah, you can actually conduct some trainings from here, like that. Many things, many uses are there of this Orange HRM. Generally, HR people use this Orange HRM software for okay, for recruiting purpose, for adding the new employees to the company, for onboarding process. A lot of stuff will be there. Okay, a lot of stuff will be there. Fine. So similarly, ERP domain, lot of, I cannot explain complete ERP domain in this session, guys, but at a high level, ERP domain is like enterprise resource planning. Orange HRM, you are planning the resources, right? You are storing the details of the employees in Orange HRM. Similarly, there will be other website where you can store the resource details, like product details in an e-commerce application or inventory management software, which falls into the ERP domain. You can store the details of the products, like how many items are available in the inventory. Okay, when did you purchase that item? From which company you purchased the item? Like that, all those things you can store in the ERP kind of domains. So hope you got the high level idea of what exactly is ERP domain. Fine. So next thing is education domain. ERP domain, the example I gave is orangehrm.com. Okay, this is a ERP domain where you can maintain the resources. Okay, this using this ERP domain software, you can manage the resources, like employees maybe resources or products maybe resources, like that. Okay, fine. Next thing is education domain. Education domain. What is education domain? So anything that can be like used for education. Like for example, if you join a school and the school is using some software to make the learning more easy, more better. For example, these days, right? Everything is happening online, so everyone is connecting online. Even the teaching, the schools are teaching online. So one of the example I would like to give for this education domain is a simple example, guys. If you go to this google.com, and here if you click here somewhere here, and here you will see something like Google Classroom. Where is that? Scroll down, you see Classroom. This is one software, guys, provided by Google and being used by schools. A lot of schools are using this, right? A lot of schools are using this Google Classrooms. You see here, you can create something here like a place. You can create a class. I want to, let's say, I will say I have read and understood, continue. I'll create a class name, let's say software testing class. The class name is software testing, for which section? Fifth standard or something. Okay, I'm just writing for say fifth class. For the fifth class students or something, I'm taking this subject is let me, in software testing, I'm taking the subject as domain knowledge. Okay, domain knowledge. Room, which room? Some six, room number 6. Create. Like this, I'll create a class. I'll create a class and I'll add students to this class. After creating this class, it's taking some time, guys. That's fine. So being created. Fine. It got created here, as you can see, software testing. And here, guys, I can do a lot of stuff. Okay, I can create announcements. I can reuse announcements and all those stuff. I can announce some things to the students. I'll say, do your homework. Do your homework before attending next class, like this. So this software, whatever the software I am using here, right? This falls into the education domain. You see, students will be there. So this announcement is one of the feature. Okay. So announcement is one of the feature in this education domain software. I'll post it. So this post will be went to all the students. Fine. Similarly, I can create a classwork. Okay, I can create an assignment. I can create a quiz for the students. I can ask questions to the students. I can prepare some material and share with the students. Okay, I can create a topic and then share with the students, like that, guys. Okay, so I can add students. You see, the software is allowing me to do all the things that I generally have to do with the class, right? Like adding the students, sharing with the students. I can also give some grades to the students once they take some assignments, right? Here I cannot show because we have not created any assignment. Once you create an assignment and students attempt that, you will see you can give the grades here. You can give A grade, B grade, C grade like that here. Okay. So this software that is created by this Google falls into the which domain? Classroom.google.com falls into the education domain. Okay. Google Classrooms. Google Classrooms is one of the example for education domain. Similarly, I will take some other than Google example also. One more example I will take. So here schoolg.com. Okay. So one example of the education domain software is schoolg.com. So what exactly the Schoolg software offers? Let's see that. Okay. What exactly this software offers? Let's browse this schoolg.com. You see it is a learning management system. That means it falls into the education domain. And what exactly this schoolg.com offers? Let's see. So it's taking a lot of time to load, guys. That's fine. So Power School is here to help. So it's basically US based, guys. You see Texas is coming. That means in US, right? The software is used in the US, focused on K-12 schools, just like yours. Okay, so designed for district success. So in US, all the schools are divided according to the district. So designed for district success, bringing your community together. A lot of features are there in the software. So there are a lot of tools, guys. Okay, there are a lot of tools and integrations for this software. So if you want to learn more about this, right, you can either go to the blog section and learn it, how the software works and all the stuff. Okay, so can learn from there. Okay, done. So fine. Let's say I'll go to the blog, but the website is very slow, guys. Okay, I'm not able to show you everything. Power School. You see the screen of the software is coming here, loading slowly. But let's see. Schoolg.com is very slow. So let it load. So another example, that is nothing but learning management system where teachers can enroll, students can enroll, admin team can enroll, and a lot of things may happen. Okay, a lot of things may happen. Close this. So blog is not loading properly. So I'll go to YouTube and search for Schoolg. Let's see Schoology, right? Schoology. So Schoology, one video is there, guys. We can understand from the video instead of this website. Power School, unified. You see, the software will simulate the classroom. New to Schoology, learn the basics for short-term online learning. You see what are the learnings? You see course dashboard is there. Then we have what are the features? Okay, groups can be created in this software. Okay, then we have, you see, a lot of discussions are happening here. Okay, any other things? You can add the materials here. It's related to the teacher and student, guys. Okay, all you can create an assignment. You see all the same features that I explained in the classrooms, right? Google Classroom, the same thing are here. Assignments you can add. You can add some documents, important documents. You can create some discussions. So this software supports a lot of things: discussions, pages, okay, images. You can upload the images. Okay, so you can create an assignment and set it due date. Teacher can do this, right? And once enable grading means this assignment once the student submit this, these are applicable for grading. And when you select this option, teachers can grade at the end of the submission of the assignments. So like that, this kind of softwares, guys. Okay, this falls into the education domain. So this falls into the education domain. So like this, lot of softwares are there in the market, guys. So education domain, Schoology.com is one of the example. And there are several other domains, guys. Here some important domains I collected here, but there are a lot of domains in the market. Okay, like e-commerce domain, banking domain, insurance domain. E-commerce, banking, insurance, healthcare, ERP, and education are the few examples I have taken for explaining what exactly is the domain knowledge and what type of domains exist. There will be more domains also, okay, but I am not going to cover everything here. Fine. So hope guys you understood what exactly is domain knowledge and how it plays a key role in performing the software testing. So if you have good domain knowledge, then you will be able to understand this application well and you will be able to test the application well. Okay, to conclude, this is the thing, guys. So hope guys you understood this session. Thank you all. Bye.